I don't want to use a Hudson sprayer because I don't want consistency, okay? So you can see how this is just kind of spitting out drops here and there.
See what it does to the profile? So again, you've got enough thickness where you've got a clear bit of epoxy with metallic in it. The solvent is actually hitting that and creating a crater. It's hammering that metallic down into the clear epoxy, and now it will recover back and it'll start to marble.
You guys this happens a lot, don't go crazy with this. What are we doing to the film right now, this epoxy? These two do not like each other. They hate each other. Why do you think it creates that crazy finish? Because they hate each other. This is 100% solids resin. This is a solvent. The two don't like. It's like oil and water. They don't like each other. The more of this you put on, the longer it takes for this to dry. Okay? Hence, the blue mirror coat around the edges of our booth are still tacky. Why? I let Wild Bill spray it. God, he must have used 1.5 gallons on each one of those. Ah, damn, that looks cool. So remember, this is a good thing, but it can also be very detrimental to recoat windows, to allowing another move in for your client. Don't go crazy. 400 to 600 square feet a gallon, that's it. It's really just there. I mean, you can see the little amount that I sprayed, that's what it's gonna do. Now again, I still have a little area with a couple of blisters right there. I can go through and just hit those, try and pop that open. Again, you typically won't see this much outgassing. Again, these slabs are very, very fresh. I mean, they're probably still hot. With these here, you guys, there's no way to eliminate that. When you guys make sample boards for Metallux, do a 4 foot by 4 foot board and cut it. Don't put your hand underneath it, because if you're doing a job bigger than this, you're gonna have, and you guys know what I'm pointing at, are these big rings. They're gonna happen. Don't ever tell, this happened to me in Las Vegas. Hey Trevor, can we minimize those? I said, I'm talking to an architect. I said, absolutely not. It was for Caesar's Palace. I said, we can't. I said, it is what it is. I can't control that. Bigger drops are going to create a bigger starburst. Smaller drops are going to be more uniform. Because I don't want to, I would rather under promise and over deliver. So again, when you guys make samples, do a 4 foot by 4 foot and get a couple of those drops in there. Don't take this area here where it's perfect. Okay?